Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorable, how to create a website for your e-commerce and online retail business on Dorable, easy and quick. So first of all, uh, type Dorable on the search. So as we know, Dorable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to the things that are last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So we know also that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI, and the AI web the AI website builder that generates an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now create new business. Now enter your business name. Enter your business name. And now select your industry for business. Enter your industry. So enter your location and choose your website language and create business. So now wait a few minutes, a few seconds to generate this website. So first of all, let's go to the first section, the edit, the header section. You can edit it from here. You can edit the site name if you don't like it. Also, if you want to change the logo, uh, if you want to turn on the logo and upload the file from here. If you want to change the label, also if you want to add a link, if you want to turn this on, and here you can manage your social links. Now here you can add a channel. Just select the type of your social link and put the link here, and that's it. So let's save this. If you want to add a section, just click on it and you can here select any section you want. So let's move to the next section. You can edit it from here. Now you can edit this, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also, if you want to change the subtext, if you don't like it, just click here and it will be changed. Also, if you want to change the label and add a link here. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text and image section. If you don't like the content, the text, you can regenerate it. Also, if you don't like the image, you can regenerate it like this. If you want to manage the image position, just from here. Now if you want to add or change the label, and here you can add the link. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the list section. You can edit it from here. Now you can change this. You can manage your display settings here. You can manage your image and your icon and your heading and the content and the button. Also, if you want to manage the list items from here, if you want to add a list item, if you want to generate the image from here, also you can here manage the image position. And if you want to generate a title, if you want to generate content like this, if you want to add a label here, so that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the testimonial section. You can add this testimonial, and here you can generate the code. Also, if you want to generate by who, if you want to generate image or upload a file as image from here. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the gallery section. You can change this and you can generate the image if you don't like this. Also, if you want to upload a file from browser or from library. Also, if you want to choose it just from here, let's pick some image from here. I'm gonna choose this, for example. This. Let's pick this image. So let's move to the next section. This is click edit, and here you can edit the heading. Also, if you want to change your business address, and if you want to add additional text files, you can add a title from here. You can add the title here, or you can add contents. So let's move on to the next section. This is the contact form section. If you want to regenerate it just from here. Also, if you want to manage files, custom files. Now, if you want to custom input labels, just turn this on, and here you can change or manage this settings. Also, if you want to generate form success message, so like this. Now save this, and let's move on to the next section. This is the footer section. This is the last section. Now here you can edit your business name. You can turn this on and upload a file here. Also, if you want to add additional details here. Now if you want to turn this on and add a label and link, you can also turn this on and add the social links. You can manage your social links here. If you want to add a channel, just select the type of your social link and put this link here, the link here. So I'm gonna turn this off and save this. So before we complete this editing of this website, if you want to regenerate the content of the section, or if you want to regenerate just the style of the section, or if you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like the entire section, just regenerate it from here and it will be changed. So now let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now, as you see, you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name like this. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.